The second part, I want to show you how to write a program. First, we need to create a new program. For example, TEST3 and OK. The second, we need to open the program. And we can see here have some instructions. First, we can use we can build a tag. For example, tag 1. The second step, we can use our joint point. Okay, first we can use our enable and move our axis. And here we can record our J. It is the record joint point. And OK. And then next, we can move our robot to the second point. And we can instructions and join point, record point. We can see here only one point. We can see each angle of our robot. Right now we recorded the second point. It means it named GP1 record, and here we can see the second point. And OK. And we can instructions. We can go to our target 1. So we here and OK. We finished our program and save. And we can close our program and change mode to the auto mode. And open the enable. We need to load our program, and we can change our speed. Here speed is we can change it slower. For example, 10%. And we can run our program, and here is start, and here is emergency stop. Right now we can see our program. Our robot is moving between 2 points. It is a very simple program. And here is the stop, and the robot is stopped. And here is start. We can see the status of the robot. And here is our after stop. We can unload program. And here we can change the enable or able. We can in menu mode. I want to experience something. In our menu mode, we can touch our joint point and enable and move to point. We can see our robot. It will move to GP1 and then move to GP2. we need to enable and move to point. It means we can check the point position. It is safety or correct or not. That's all.